From 58,000 all the way down to 44,000, Bitcoin is now down 14,000 in just 1 week. But then the most important question at the moment is the crash over, or is there more price drop ahead of us? Let's find out in under 5 minutes. For those new to the channel, welcome to the channel. If earning money with your cryptos and financial freedom is something that you are interested in, make sure to definitely subscribe to the channel and leave the comment "I subscribed" in the comment section, and then let's vibe out in the comment section. Elon Musk has parked $1.5 billion of Tesla's cash reserve in Bitcoin. Saylor from MicroStrategy has also parked $2.2 billion of MicroStrategy's cash reserve in Bitcoin. We have other celebrities and personalities also coming out in support of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like Cardano. So why are we still seeing prices in red? The simple answer is people are just taking profits off the table. But then let's see what the charts are telling us. We are looking at the weekly chart of Bitcoin at the moment, and it's hard to miss this big red candle on the charts. From previous bull runs, we normally see these big red candles when Bitcoin has already hit its all-time highs and it's just heading downwards. Let's go back to 2013 so I could show you. So in 2013, we see these big red candles after Bitcoin had hit its all-time highs. In 2017, we also see the same thing. The same pattern repeats. So these big red candles are also seen after Bitcoin had hit its all-time highs. But then there's one big red candle over here that is a little different. So this big red candle in November 2017, we see the same behavior, so the same pattern, a big red candle. But then the only thing that's different about this one is right after that big red candle closes, there's a very big green candle after that, and this was happening when Bitcoin was on its way to 20K. So I'll give it a 50% from a probability standpoint. I will give this a 50% chance that the downtrend that we're going through at the moment recovers and repeats what we saw in November 2017 over here. Okay, so at the moment we are looking at the daily chart of Bitcoin, and it is very clear that the downtrend that we are going through at the moment is way steeper and way faster than the downtrend that we saw in January 2020 of this year. Let's go back to November 2017 to compare that. So in November 2017, we can see that the downtrend over here is also steeper. But then one thing that we could pick out, one information we could pick out from this downtrend is that the price did touch the 50-day moving average for November 2017. Let's compare that with the January 2020 downtrend, since that has already been done. So for that downtrend, we can see that the price again did touch the 50-day moving average. Now so from a probability standpoint, I would say that the current downtrend that we are going through, there's a 50% chance that the price touches the 50-day moving average. We are looking at the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin at the moment, and it seems that the decision on whether to break down outside of this descending triangle and head towards the 40K level, or break up outside of this descending triangle and bounce off to the 60K level, it seems that decision will be made by March 3rd, which is at the end of this descending triangle. But we already see a candle on the 4-hour chart that is already breaking outside of this descending triangle. This could be a possible recovery, but then that is too early to call, as this candle has not yet closed. In case this happens to fail and we do break down and head lower, I would say there's a higher percent chance that we do bounce off the 40K level. Okay, so now let's bring it all together and answer the most important question of this video, which is the crash over? It is too early to call that at the moment. Like I said, by March 3rd, we should definitely have a clear path on which way the price is deciding to go. If the price does close outside of the descending triangle and close above the descending triangle, then it's definitely going bullish. If the price does break outside of the descending triangle and go lower, then we definitely going bearish and heading towards the 40K level. Okay, so this is the point where I hang it up and I pass it on to you. If you've not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure to definitely subscribe to the channel and leave a comment "I subscribed" in the comment section and let's vibe out in the comment section. I will be posting a couple more videos on the top stocks and cryptos that I plan buying very soon. So if that's something that you are interested in, make sure to definitely hit the notification bell so you get reminded when I do post that. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.